Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we have a new mystery box, and the mystery box is called Red Carpet Mystery Box, and it is for Cricut Access members only because there's a cutie. Let's take a look at what's inside this box. First, let's look at the Cricut cutie. This is not a new color cutie, but it is still a gorgeous cutie. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Let's see what else is in the box. This box also comes with a roll of smart permanent vinyl. If you have the Explorer 3 or the Maker 3, this is perfect for that. Here you also have a roll of Strong Bond Sport Flex iron-on in white, Everyday iron-on in black, a roll of removable vinyl, matte vinyl in white, a roll of heat transfer tape. This is perfect for keeping your iron-on stuff down. You have smart paper for the 3 series in black, a light grip mat, and it comes in a quantity of 1. There is also the standard grip mat, which comes in a quantity of 2. I use this for majority of my projects. Hope you enjoy this unboxing video, and if you do, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.